Greetings and welcome to Cool Art Stuff for Kids. We're going to be doing some river rocks today, and you can see as you follow along with my sketching that I'm making loose oval shapes to represent the stones, and I'm going to do about 5 of them, and then I'm going to detail them with colored pencil. So stick around, pay close attention. Notice how I utilize the colored pencil lines to enhance the roundness and the form of each of the stones that I'm drawing. For the background, I'm going to mix a little bit of blue and a little bit of brown to put over my clear water wash. You can see I'm putting clear water in the background, and then when I add my mixture of blue and brown, it's going to diffuse and create a wet on wet situation in the background, creating a really nice variance in the background colors. Now we're going to add a little bit of pencil shading underneath the rocks to get sort of a cast shadow and give the rock some kind of a solid look because of the cast shadows. Now that the cast shadows are in position on the sandy beach, we're going to add some clear water to the sides of each stone and then add color, and then on top of the wet by wet, while it's still wet, maybe take a paper towel and lift off some paint. So watch this all the way through and then try it yourself. Now we're going to do a plain clear water wash on the bottom section where the sand's going to be, and then we're going to add some stronger sandy beach colors right over the top of that wetness. I'm kind of smudging the shadow in a little bit with my liquid, and the lead is seemingly creating sort of a black fluid to help enhance the shadows as well. Here we go. It'll just take a little more black pencil outlining and shading under the rocks to make them really stand out. Now, if you like this project and you're a teacher, you can check out all my great art projects over the years at teacherspayteachers.com/store/Damon-Reinagle. Damon, D-A-M-O-N -R-E-I-N-A-G-L-E. But you know that. You got to my YouTube channel somehow, didn't you? Okay. Have a great day, subscribe, like, and I'll talk to you on the other side.